Welcome to our review of ActivTrades. This highly regulated broker has been in the business since 2001, boasting of their globally recognized awards and sponsorships. But are they truly a top broker as they claim? This year, we've already tested 80 brokers, giving us a solid benchmark for comparison. Based on this, we'll unpack all the crucial details about trading with ActivTrades. Can you trust ActivTrades with your money? Do they offer low spreads and fees? Do they provide a wide selection of tradable instruments? We'll take you on a tour of ActivTrades' trading platforms. Lastly, we'll give you our honest take on trading with ActivTrades. So stick around for the full scoop, but if you want to skip to the part you're most interested in, feel free to use the chapters feature below. Let's dive in. Based in London, ActivTrades was established in 2001 and now serves traders in over 170 countries across the globe. They operate under 6 global entities with 4 regulated by top-tier financial authorities. With ActivTrades, you can access over 1,000 markets through platforms like MT4, MT5, TradingView, and their proprietary ActivTrader. Stay tuned for some interesting insights about this broker. If at any point in the video you'd like to explore ActivTrades for yourself, check the description or click the link in the top right corner for the best offer in your region. Let's kick off with trust. Is ActivTrades safe, secure, and reliable? Let's take a closer look. ActivTrade has worldwide entities licensed by 6 global regulators, including the UK FCA, Spanish CMVM, Italian CONSOB, and CSSF Luxembourg. So what does this mean for you? Firstly, every one of their global entities keeps your funds in segregated accounts. As they're not mixed up with company funds, your capital is always available. On top of this, every entity offers a negative balance protection. Out of their 6 global regulators, 4 offer a compensation scheme if the broker fails. But the key highlight is that ActivTrades provides private insurance from Lloyd's of London, covering up to $1 million for each client across all of its global entities. With more than 2 decades in the field, ActivTrades has plenty of experience and stability in keeping your funds safe and secure. We're giving ActivTrades a solid trust score of 4.5 out of 5. Now let's dive into something that can significantly affect your profits. Trading fees. We ran some experiments using the ActivTrades individual CFD account, which includes spreads and swap or rollover fees, but no commissions. To get a complete picture, we ran these tests at peak trading times during the London and New York trading sessions. What have we discovered? ActivTrades' trading fees are actually quite mixed. They shine with highly competitive spreads on metals and stock indices, easily better than the average. The spreads on major currency pairs such as Euro to USD also beat the industry average. But when it comes to minor currencies and cross rates, their spreads are merely average, and for cryptocurrencies, they tend to be quite high. Also, if you don't trade for 12 months in a row, there's an inactivity fee of £9 per month. As ActivTrades' fees are mixed depending on the market you are trading, they received an average score of 4.1 out of 5 in this category. Next up, we checked the broker's trading platforms. Finding the right platform that matches your style and expertise can seriously boost your trading experience. ActivTrades offers a wide array of trading platforms and apps suitable for both beginners and advanced traders. First off, the broker's proprietary web-based ActivTrader platform is ideally suited for beginner traders, thanks to its customizable watch list, one-click trading, and robust charting tools. The broker also provides access to popular social trading platform, TradingView, perfect for tech-savvy traders who enjoy viewing and sharing trading ideas. Finally, the well-known MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms are available. These cater to experienced traders, especially if you're into automated trading strategies. Now, let's take a quick tour of the broker's MT4 proprietary platform and mobile app. Proprietary ActivTrader platform. First, let's take a look at the flagship ActivTrader platform. This web-based platform is made up of 3 major sections: watchlist, charts, and an account detail section, covering open positions, pending orders, and the history of your trades. Highlighted on the left here, watch lists allow you to track your favorite instruments at a glance, or lists grouped by asset class. You can also enter trades directly from the watch list. Next, let's take a look at the chart within the ActivTrader platform. I'm going to go ahead and hide the watch list and the account details so we can see a larger chart. And here we have the industry-leading TradingView charts, which feature over 100 technical indicators and drawing tools. And we also have trading from the chart and one-click trading available, enabling day traders to be super nimble and execute their trades fast. And for traders who like to watch multiple markets at once, or the same market across multiple time frames, it's possible to tile charts to your preference. Now let's take a look at the available order types. Traders have access to standard and advanced order types, giving better than average flexibility on how they enter and exit the market. There are even proprietary order types that you won't find in other platforms like the pullback order and the progressive trailing stop. A newsfeed was recently added to the platform, providing analysis and helping traders stay on top of major market-moving stories. Finally, let's look at the account details section at the bottom here. In this section, traders can track their open position, their pending orders, and their history of trades. And from the top, you can see key metrics like your total account value. ActivTrades also offer the popular MetaTrader 4. The platform's made up of 4 main panels: Market Watch, Navigator, Charts, and Terminal. The Market Watch panel allows you to follow the live price of a selected group of assets. I like how you can easily drag an instrument over to view its chart. In the Navigator tab, you can alternate between different accounts and work with expert advisors for automated trading. MT4 charts feature a strong range of indicators and drawing tools, and I find it useful to tile the charts to view multiple markets at once. One-click trading and trading from the chart are essential tools for helping me get in and out of the markets fast. Finally, the terminal panel at the bottom here makes it easy to manage your open positions and view your history of trades. You can also browse news and set price alerts from here. ActivTrade's mobile app. The ActivTrader mobile app is beginner-friendly, and I like its intuitive and uncluttered interface. In the Markets tab, you can view custom and pre-configured watch lists and easily jump to a chart for a specific instrument. Charts feature over 100 technical indicators and drawing tools, allowing you to analyze the market on the move. And as an active trader, I appreciate the option of one-click trading and trading from the chart. In the Trades tab, you can easily track your account details, including open positions, pending orders, and the history of trades. It's particularly helpful that you can see your account value in real time at the top of the screen. Finally, let's take a look at the News tab, which features professional-grade market analysis and news from sources like ABN, AMRO, and Commerzbank. Our score for ActivTrader's platforms and tools is a near-perfect 4.8 out of 5. Finally, to capitalize on the best trading opportunities, your broker must offer a diverse range of markets to trade on. ActivTrades has you covered in this department, with an impressive selection of markets. This includes 49 forex pairs, 37 indices, 23 commodities, 12 cryptos, 5 bonds, and over 1,000 stocks and ETFs. Overall, we rated the range of tradable instruments at ActivTrades with a solid score of 4.5 out of 5 for this category. In just a moment, we'll reveal if this broker is the right pick for your trading journey. But first, a quick heads up on who we are and why you can trust us. Our broker analyst crew is a mix of seasoned analysts and pro traders. We've been reviewing forex brokers for 12 years. This year alone, we've tested 80 forex brokers, giving us a deep understanding of the industry to compare and evaluate them effectively. All right, let's break down what ActivTrades brings to the table. First off, the broker is well regulated and has been in business since 2001. The private insurance of up to $1 million for every client from all of its entities is a game changer. ActivTrades also has you covered with a decent selection of trading platforms. This includes their proprietary ActivTrader web platform and mobile app, TradingView, MT4, and MT5. Last but not least, there's an impressive range of over 1,000 markets covering forex, stocks, indices, ETFs, bonds, cryptos, and commodities. On the downside, the trading fees are mixed depending on the market you are trading, and there is an inactivity fee charged monthly if no activity has taken place for 12 months, as well as a few withdrawal and deposit fees to take into consideration. So who is ActivTrades best suited for? ActivTrades is a great choice for beginners, offering an easy-to-use proprietary trading platform, commission-free trading, and low forex spreads. Their educational material and live webinars are also well suited for those just starting out. But it's not just for newcomers. Advanced traders will appreciate the MT4 and MT5 platforms for their higher customization levels and access to automated trading solutions. Plus, ActivTrade's extra MetaTrader add-ons are a bonus for experienced traders. Lastly, the integration with TradingView is a real game changer for both beginners and advanced traders. You can check out trading ideas from ActivTrade's in-house research team, explore insights from others, or share your own trading strategies with the world effortlessly. In our evaluation, we awarded the broker an overall score of 4.4 out of 5. Marking its offerings as above average. And there you have it, our take on ActivTrades. Interested in giving them a go? Just click the link in the description or the top right corner to head straight to their site. You can also check out more detailed reviews of the broker on our website. Share your thoughts, comment with any questions about ActivTrades, or suggest brokers for our future review. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading insights. I'll see you in the next video.